When you search for ice skating shoes for beginners, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1: Fifth Element Stealth Ice Hockey Skates. The Fifth Element Stealth Ice Hockey Skates caught my eye right away. Priced at $114.69, these skates are designed for both recreational skating and hockey, making them a solid option for new skaters. If you want a comfortable fit with moisture resistance, this is worth a serious look. The moisture-resistant liner helps keep your feet comfortable, which is crucial for beginners who might be on the ice for longer sessions. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 500 reviews, this shows that many are satisfied with their purchase. The true-to-size fit means you won't have to worry about sizing issues, and they come in various sizes from 6 to 13. Now, some people complained about these skates being a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing though, that stiffness might actually help support your ankles as you're learning, making it less of a deal breaker for most beginners. This is perfect for you if you're serious about diving into both ice hockey and recreational skating. Skip this one if you're looking for a very flexible skate right out of the box. For the price and quality, it offers great value for your money. Now, if the price of the stealth skates bothered you, the next option is more budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. Product number 2: American Athletic Tricot Lined Ice Skates for Women. The American Athletic Tricot Lined Ice Skates for Women jumped out with their sleek design and an affordable price of $74.99. Perfect for female beginners, these skates offer the right mix of support and comfort. If you want a stylish skate that helps build confidence, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. They come with reinforced ankle support, which is vital for stability as you learn to glide. The tricot-lined interior keeps your feet cozy, and the stainless steel blades ensure a smooth experience on both indoor and outdoor ice. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 2,700 reviews, many users find these skates comfortable for hours on the ice. Plus, the EasyCare PVC boot makes maintenance a breeze. Now, some users pointed out that these skates can fit a bit snug, especially for those with wide feet. But here's the thing, a snug fit is often better for beginners as it provides more control while skating. This is perfect for you if you're a woman just starting out and looking for something stylish. Skip this one if you have wide feet or want something super loose. Overall, they offer excellent value for beginners. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for younger skaters. Product number 3: American Athletic Tricot Lined Ice Skates for Girls. Next up are the American Athletic Tricot Lined Ice Skates for Girls, priced at an attractive $64.99. These skates are designed for young beginners, striking a balance between support and flexibility. If you're looking for a reliable pair for your child, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Like their women's counterpart, these skates feature reinforced ankle support, crucial for kids who are still developing balance. The tricot lining with extra padding keeps little feet comfy during longer skating sessions. Also, they come with a beginner-friendly stainless steel blade that helps ensure a smooth glide on indoor and outdoor surfaces. Now, some parents mention that the sizing runs a bit small. But here's the thing, it's important for kids to have skates that fit snugly to control their movements better. This is perfect for you if you're a parent looking to get your child into skating. Skip this one if your child has wider feet, as it might not provide the best fit. For the price, these are a great investment for young skaters. Now, if you're more interested in stylish options, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 4: Fifth Element Grace Ice Skates for Women. The Fifth Element Grace Ice Skates for Women are next, priced at $59.89. These skates are designed with beginners in mind and offer a stylish look. If you want something that performs well while also being fashionable, this is worth a serious look. The stainless steel blade with a toe pick is perfect for beginners learning to stop and turn. With a solid 4.4-star rating from nearly 300 reviews, they've received praise for their comfort and fit. They also fit true to size, which means you can buy your regular shoe size without worry. Now, some users did mention that the laces can feel a bit flimsy over time. Here's the thing though, you can easily replace laces if needed, and the overall performance makes it a worthwhile purchase. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish skate that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something that will hold up to professional use. For the price, you're getting quality and style. Now to wrap things up, if you want to make your skating experience more comfortable, the next item is an accessory you might not want to miss. Product number 5, Jayoga Ice Skating Socks. Finally, we have the Jayoga Ice Skating Socks priced at just $16.99. While not skates themselves, these socks are essential for comfort on the ice. If you want to protect your feet while skating, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Each sock features gel pads that provide cushioning to areas that often get sore from skating. They're designed to prevent rubbing and provide compressive support, which every skater appreciates. Made from durable nylon, these socks are breathable and moisture-wicking, keeping your feet dry. With a rating of 4.4 stars from over 350 reviews, many users say these socks have made a noticeable difference in their comfort levels while skating. Now, some users said they wished the socks were a bit thicker. But here's the thing, you don't want overly thick socks inside skates as they can lead to discomfort. The cushioning is just right for skating. This is perfect for you if you're looking for extra comfort and protection during your skating sessions. Skip this one if you prefer thicker socks for extra warmth. For the price, they're a fantastic addition to your skating gear. To wrap things up, we looked at a range of options that cater to different needs. The Fifth Element Stealth skates are great for a serious learning experience, while the American Athletic skates offer style and comfort. For young skaters, the girls' version of the American Athletic skates is a fantastic choice. The Fifth Element Gray skates balance style and performance beautifully, and don't forget the Jayoga socks, which can elevate your comfort level. Whatever your needs, there's something here for you.